Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the fourth question of third internal test column. So the fourth question is obtain normal equation and write algorithm for linear regression. So let's solve this question. Given a data set with input features x and target values y, the normal equation for finding the coefficient theta that minimize the mean square error r. So this is our normal equation. We have to derive this. And in this normal equation, x is the matrix of input features, y is the vector of target values, xt is the transpose of x, and theta is the vector of coefficient. To derive this, we have to start with the cost function. The cost function is g of theta is equal to 1 by 2m summation from I to m bracket close h theta xi minus yi whole to the square. Now, first of all, we have to convert the cost function in the matrix form. So cost function in the matrix form will look like 1 by 2m x theta minus y transpose x theta minus y. And now we will compute the partial derivative of cost function in matrix form. So it will be 1 by m multiplied by t x theta minus y. And now in the next step we have to set the partial derivative as 0. After setting the partial derivative as 0, we get this equation xt multiplied by x phi by minus y is equal to 0. When we open the bracket, we get the equation x transpose minus x phi minus x transpose y is equal to 0. When we solve this equation for theta, we get our matrix. So this was the derivation of the normal equation from cost function. Now we are also asked write algorithm for linear regression. So let's see the algorithm. First of all, just start read number of data n. For I to n, read xi and yi. Now in fourth step, initialize sum x is equal to 0, sum x2 is equal to 0, sum y is equal to 0, sum xy is equal to 0. Calculate required sum. For again a for loop for I is equal to 1 to n, sum x is equal to sum x plus xi, sum x2 is equal to sum x2 plus xi multiplied by xi, sum y is equal to sum y plus yi, sum xy is equal to sum xy plus xi yi. In the step 6, calculate required constant a and b of y is equal to x plus b. So b is equal to n multiply we are calculating constant b and a here. So b is equal to n multiplied by sum xy minus x sum x multiplied by sum y divided by n sum x2 minus sum x square. This will be our b, and a will be sum y minus b sum x upon n. So this will be our constant, display value a and b, and stop. So this was our algorithm, and this was our normal equation. Thank you.